In this tutorial, we will be discussing IR frequencies. We will be examining a molecule, identifying the functional group, and identifying the frequency that matches that functional group. In this molecule, we can identify a carboxylic acid. Using table 2.7 in your textbook, we can identify that carboxylic acids have a frequency range of 1710 to 1780 and 2500 to 3000. This 1710 to 1780 frequency corresponds to the carbonyl group right here, and the 2500 to 3000 frequency corresponds to your alcohol group right here. This next molecule contains a ketone group here. Ketones have a frequency of 1680 to 1750. This molecule contains an aldehyde, which has a frequency of 1690 to 1740. You can see that the ketone and the aldehyde both contain carbonyls, although the frequencies are slightly different. This last molecule contains an amine, which has a frequency of 3300 to 3500. Now let's look at these molecules. Here we can identify an alkene, which will give a frequency of 1620 to 1680. Here we can identify a terminal alkyne, which will give a frequency of around 3300 and 2100 to 2260. The 3300 comes from the carbon bonded to the hydrogen, and the 2100 to 2260 comes from the carbon triple bonded to another carbon. This last molecule is an internal alkyne. Internal alkynes give a frequency of 2100 to 2260, which, as seen with the terminal alkyne, is just the carbon triple bonded to another carbon.